Today I'm transforming this doghouse into a luxury mansion. I have the most insane things planned for this doghouse, such as a working elevator, a custom pool, and not to mention my friend's doghouse has been needing a major upgrade. It is so tiny. Let's destroy it. Everyone stand back. Building this luxury mansion is gonna take a lot of work. But first, Cheyenne, take this credit card and give this dog the best day of its life.
Got it. Oh, let's go. Are you ready to have the best day ever? That was definitely a yes.
We're gonna build this dog mansion in 5 steps, starting with the foundation. The foundation needs to be super strong to support the